blood with you. Piece of shit. You piece of shit. Get out of here. Get out of here. What's up, cuz?
Yo! Hey! Got something. God damn it, man. 5 different passports. This bitch could be anywhere. Look at that.
That's him, right?
Yeah. Go! Hey. Jackpot. Hey, Dave! Get the tools!
All right, go. Mikey. Yo!
Hey, man, I told you to stay with the truck.
I need to take a piss.
I told you not to drink all that Gatorade.
Come on, let me in. You can watch the damn truck from the window.
Doesn't feel right, man. Don't open that door, Mikey.
Come on, man.
Don't do it.
Mikey!
Get back down there and let us know if anyone's coming.
Morning, fellas.
Odin, are you alone?
What do you think, dipshit?
Tell them we want to talk.
Says they want to talk.
Yeah, listen, everybody be cool, okay? Just relax. I'm gonna open the door.
All right.
Very slowly, all right?
And stay back! Stay back! Move it slowly! We're backing up!
Get in. Get in. All right. Shut up.
Slowly! Shut up! Take it easy! Shut up!
Take it easy.
Tell me.
Take it! Shut up! So where's your bitch of a mother?
Shut the hell up, man!
Where the hell is she?
She said you wanted to talk, so talk. What is it?
We're gonna give you your gold back.
Just like that.
We give you your gold back. You leave town, and we're done.
Our father is dead. Where the hell is your mother?
I shot her.
And who are you?
I'm her grandson. She had cancer. She wanted to die.
I don't believe any of you. I want to see a body.
There is no body. We cremated her. And we want to give you back the gold, so enough of the bullshit already. It was just a job that went bad. We did not know Smurf was going to shoot your dad. She was settling old scores. It wasn't about you, it wasn't about us. Whatever happened between your father and our mother is done.